Hi Cancer, this is your monthly reading for the month of May. This is for the sun sign and the ascendant sign of Cancer. What's coming to you this month? I'm going to look at that. I'm going to look at the general situation presently, and then I will look at what's coming to you in terms of your work or career situation, what is coming in your close relationships and your health and your outcome, and in the end the Lenormand card. So what's coming to you at this point around you? What is the energy around you? The energy is good. It is Three of Wands. This is your external energy. You are waiting for something to arrive, you are waiting for something to happen. So it is an expectant energy, it is an optimistic energy. This is an energy of waiting for results. So some of you are waiting for results of interviews, some of you are waiting for a deal to come in, some of you are waiting for a result of some study or some job or some work. So Cancer, you have this energy of Queen of sorry, the High Priestess. So this is your intuitive gut energy. You know that something will work out even if I'm going through some upheaval. Why I'm saying upheaval is because you have the Tower energy in the month of May, and the Tower with the Tower clarified by Tower is telling me this is a Mars energy which is very downgraded at this time. This is causing topsy-turvy situation in your life. This is changing situations in a surprise manner, and what's going to happen after that is the Ace of Cups. So the Ace of Cups will arrive for you. Things will be better for you after an upheaval. It might have taken place already, or it will be taking place very soon, and from that energy you will be taking a time out in your current situation. You will wait, you will take a break. It could be in your love situation that you will see some surprise revelations, a change of totally a change of circumstance. You can see totally a change of circumstance in your job or career. So basically this is happening in overall situation of your life, and that is causing for momentarily the Five of Pentacles and the heartbreak card, the Three of Swords. So something maybe already it has happened, and now there will be time to recuperate, take rest, take a break, and consolidate this situation. So this could be happening with a uh, King of Swords. So this could be happening with a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy at this time. Someone has walked away, or you have walked away from the situation to recuperate, consolidate, and try to think proactively what went wrong and what is going to happen next. So this is the energy you are in. You are in the Four of Swords, putting on your thinking cap while resting. So the Four of Swords is a momentary break from a certain situation to recharge, and this is happening because you have gone through a situation that is not so savory, it is not so good. It You have felt the pain, and now you are walking away from the displeasure in the month of May. However, you don't think that the situation will change so fast or things will become better for you, but always look at the invisible divine hand with a cup. So something will change your circumstances, and inside of you subconsciously you are waiting for that. So the Three of Wands is around you, so it is coming to you. So expectation is there for a change, for a new situation to develop. The ships are coming in. you be assured it is coming in. And another thing you don't have to be scared of is any monetary failures. Monetary failures will not affect you so much, because you will be in Nine of Pentacles situation, that is having enough, having a, at least even if you go through some stealth, some kind of stealing energy from someone or revelation of loss, you will not go through a pain in your pinch in your pocket, because you will have enough to deal with this circumstance. You will be self-reliant. You don't have to go and ask for something from anyone. So you will be in a Nine of Pentacles self-sufficient spirit in terms of your physical body and physical wealth. So basically you will be in a good situation. So let's look at your career situation. Three of Pentacles fell in reverse. So this can mean that a fallout with a partner, fallout with a collaborator has taken place. I'm feeling like sneezing. Sorry. So anyway, so this Three of Pentacles in reverse is a kind of situation where a foundation has broken, a collaboration has broken, some mistake has happened, and it happened because of some belief in or faith in someone, and now it has brought you into a crossroads situation with the Two of Swords. So now you don't know where to go, what to decide. But in the month of May, the Emperor and the Chariot is with you. So the Emperor is the energy of taking control, what needs to be done, what has to change, and the Chariot card is your own energy, that is about focusing on the matter and moving towards it with determination and reaching the end of a certain situation, finding solution or finding a victory in the end. So this energy will prevail in your circumstance, whatever may be happening in the initial uncertainty of a failure, mistake, or some kind of bad collaboration. There is going to be compensation coming in with the Six of Pentacles, money or exchange or receiving a money when required, that is going to come to you. With the Knight of Pentacles, you are in an energy already where you have some reliable source of income as well. So you have worked hard for something that is not going to fail you, but there has been a momentary mistake or a miscollaboration, misjudgment about a situation. So what is coming in finally in this month is there will be an offer coming in with the Knight of Cups energy, or your diplomacy or creativity will prevail, and Ace of Pentacles is coming to you. A new opportunity of stability will come to you. Good news will arrive in this month with the Page of Wands. So you will get your enthusiasm back, control back, and determination back in your career, money, job, finance. What is happening in your love situation is that things will be okay. Things will be good with the Four of Wands. You can expect a marriage function, home function, house function. It can be a celebration. But you will be moving towards a new direction with a purpose. And this is happening after lot of thinking. With the Two of Pentacles, you could be living in two places, having two relationships, with one with someone, with a family, one with another person who could be hidden. So the Hermit card and the Judgment card is telling me that you will be withdrawing your energies for some time from other people to figure out where you want to go, what you want to do. There could be a new situation that will be developing for you, which will be giving you great success. That is what I am seeing in terms of your relationship or happiness. Two of Cups is a new beginning. You will be choosing that. You will be moving towards that, Cancer. And Knight of Wands coming again, telling me that you will move with a purpose. So there is a shift towards a new relationship, new place, new destination. A shift in approach is coming in towards love or relationship. You will take time out or a separation for better thinking in this time period, or to judge someone correctly, and ultimately you will reach a situation where you will feel happiness and you will reap rich rewards in terms of your stability. So relationship wise, you will reach a culmination, issues will be solved, you will be feeling better with a separation, and you'll be moving towards a new direction. You could be finding a person of interest, and this person could be giving you a soul mate kind of vibe. That is what could be coming in for you, Cancer. In terms of your health, you have been drained of your energies recently. You could be feeling that it's too much. How much is too much? You will think like that, and you will think that I'm drained, I'm done, I'm over, I'm ill, I'm done with this. And you will look for options to improve your health in this time period, and angels are asking you to uh, choose the correct treatment. That is what is coming in for your health. So finally your outcome is, you could be in Nine of Wands outcome. So this is like hurt, wounded, exhausted, and tested over a period of time with failures, but you have not given up. You will not give up. That is your approach, and you are still standing, holding the staff of victory, and you are still proclaiming that I am going to win. So basically, you will be in this courageous, optimistic energy of a wounded soldier. Things have not worked for you. You have gone through recent problems, but you are expecting the best in this time period. So what I am seeing is that you will be excelling in your situation. So let's read out the Lenormand for you. So the Lenormand here is telling me card number 23, the mice card has come for you. This is saying that business complications or mistakes can happen. False friends could be around you. Uh, Admitting your mistake will be your first step towards recovery. A month of financial complications or instability or some mistakes, insufficient earnings, but money is coming to you or an offer is coming to you. Promise of help will not be kept by someone. That is what I am seeing, and it will be revealed to you. So there is an influential person around you who could have seduced you or broken your promises. Judgment errors has already happened, and there is a complicated situation at hand. The person who you hoped would give you some help is kind but well intentioned, but has no power. So a positive phase could come back to you, but this is not success. You will succeed later, but a positive phase is coming back. Be careful of other people. There could be a sting in the tail. So money wise, extra income or small victory could be coming in. Economic future is good, but not many big changes can arrive immediately. There could be complication in business. There could be some overseas business that will go through some difficulty. In terms of your love life, you could have had a sentimental love affair, but it has disappointed you, or a partner is not is refusing to end a relationship, and that is causing you problem. Continuous discussions within the family or between friends on futile issues are taking place. So many small things are adding to a big war. Broken promises are unexpected, but they are happening. Uh, a, for some of you, your children could cause anxiety. Result is together with exasperations and misunderstanding, nothing much will change or fall out. So you don't have to worry so much, tackle this situation. So this is the reading for Cancer. If you have gone through difficulties or if you are going through difficulties, contact me for a specific reading for yourself. This will be done in private, one-on-one, but these are paid readings, so you have to contact me through the email ID in the description box just below this video. However, if you are not going through such big difficulties, you can just keep on watching these videos which I post for you, and other tarot readers or other astrologers. Things will be sorted, you will get guidance, and you will keep walking. So Cancer, this is the best. Things will change for you, in the sense that not much change will be happening, but things will be under control. And once you have gone through this sudden movements in your life, things will fall into some kind of stability. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe, and keep watching. Bye bye.